oil, but you cannot refine the oil fragment. It is slightly different. It has 3 like charcoal coal fragments that are in nanotube shape, and you have precious metals in the M state matter, like Ormus. This is a monoatomic state that does not go into chemical binding because of a little bit funny electron configuration in the outer shell. This matter that is not really in this reality. It is a little bit above our reality, opening the door to higher realms. This is the content of it, and this black goo has the ability to run as a natural quantum computer, processing light as information, using the entire spectrum lights that we call the visible spectrum. So it's a quantum computer running on 7 different colors, being able to process all 7 colors at one time. And it is self-aware, and it is carrying very highly developed intelligence that basically, if you look at a planetary system, seems to mirror the entire consciousness that is developed within the biosphere. So whatever beings experienced during the last 1.5 billion years, let's say, is stored in an immortal memory within the black goo inside our planet. If you try to find out where it exists in the planet, this is the substance that is forming the ley lines. It is like the ley line system within, and the field structure is carried within the ley lines, but also kind of riding on magnetic fields. So if you have like northern lights, the spirit within Mother Earth can hoover up into space and form more complex structures outside the planet. You can examine all this very easily in the lab. Can we get a camera on me? Okay. This, for example, is a black goo containing stone from Paraguay. It is connected to a site where a meteorite came down. So definitely we can say the origin of the black goo in Paraguay is of extraterrestrial origin. It came from somewhere. Nobody can say, but we have clusters of meteorites all over the planet that came down about, I would guess, 80,000 years ago. If you play around with black goo in the lab, you can easily reproduce this magnetic effect. If you hold it in your hand, you can kind of feel how the stone is mirroring or trying to mirror your energetic system. It reconnects with every cell in the body. This is something one can feel easily. Reconnects to the body, and then it depends if it is black goo from our planet. You're feeling the full spectrum of life force within the planet. You're experiencing all the emotions, and if yourself are living in scarcity at that moment, and something within the system is not really alive in yourself, you get a sensation of the things missing. This is what the black goo of our Earth is doing with us. If you experience black goo of the type that came with the meteorites, like this one, it has only 3 colors that are processed. So it is limiting this mirror function. If it takes over control of the body, it is mirroring only the 3 chakras: your brain function, your life force, and your sexuality. There is no heart in this. If you have this information, and if you have experienced the different types in the lab, it is quite easy to understand what happened to humanity. And it is described in the old myth. This is the deterioration of paradise. If you look at the ancient Greek and Turkish coins, You find pictures of the Tree of Life in the Paradise Garden, and on the left and the right hand of the Tree of Life you have like 2 columns out of black goo. And what happened is that we got disconnected from the spirit of our planet and reconnected to an alien subconsciousness. This is the main service this black goo is giving to us. It is the source of our instinct. This is why birds are just getting out of the egg and starting to live as fully developed creatures. Many other animals also. They're just connected to the immortal knowledge within this morphogenetic field that is carried by the black goo. And if you get in contact with the other type of black goo, the opposite happens. Your heart is shutting down, your heart chakra. The stomach is, the intelligence of the stomach is completely shut down. You get aggressive, free of empathy, and you start to behave like the SS that was dealing a lot with these stones during World War II and prior to it. So, an ally has been slain. The deterioration from paradise is connected to the bloodlines, because the bloodlines try to kind of preserve this very strong connection